Greetings sanibonani my beautiful people. Namhlanje sisekatlehong eHuntersfield Stadium. Si-interviewa ucoach weKatlehong Tigers uSinethemba Dawet who's a utility back. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi-ke baqale kanjani i-rugby club eKasi nokuthi izinto abafeyisana nazo ama-challenges wabo nokuthi bafuna ukuyaphi ama-future plans wabo. I hope you enjoy this interview bafethu. Danko siyabonga.
Igama uSinethemba Dawet and ngibuya e-Eastern Cape but ngokuhlala ngilapha eKatlehong. That man figure up, I was looking for a rugby club and this is the rugby club engayifumana. I-rugby club sakhulayo ise-Crystal League dlala under i-Union ye-Falk ise-Crystal League. So si-club nje, club yethu we don't have a coach. Siyazijimela singamajita and then sishana the challenges because
Before imake bhuti wami, before uyakude ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi which year mhlawumbe i-club leyo xa ufika apho ufike ikhona or nifike vele wazifomela yakho i-club
no,
nabantu?
i-club ndifike ikhona and by that time ndifike before COVID. So i-club
It was which year? 2019?
2019, yeah. 2019 i-club ibine numbers but i-club yona iqalwe 2012 ngomva kwayo.
Ibina ntoni?
History club iqale 2012.
Yes.
Back club.
Into igama le-club ibiqale ezintoni?
iKatlehong Tigers.
Okay.
iKatlehong Tigers.
Ibiloko i-based iphi?
Ibe-based apha eKatlehong.
Okay.
Yeah, so bingamajita ahlala apha eKasi, kuye eMandela nakwamanye amakasi.
Ama-divisions?
So sise-lower division ye-Falk. Union yethu i-Falk. So sise-lower division Crystal League.
Okay.
Crystal League.
Ama-age groups wona?
So i-age group besinayo 2019 sine under 19 plus first team. So no besine under 20 plus first team and then kwenzeka yayi COVID amajita amaninzi ayeka and then amanye avaya, so i-club yayincipha ngokuncipha. And that time 2019 at least the resources besinazo besikwazi uhlanganisa imali amajita sipanayo senze singakhona ukwenza, but ngoku izinto asafani naqala sineteam eyi-1 nayo siyadibanisa nje.
So i-club yenu is it males only or i-mix of inama-division ayithu inama-males and females?
Sike sazama uvula i-female rugby but sabethwa into eyi-1 ukuthi one of our guys had to go eDubai.
Okay.
Or coach at that side and then by that time bengisacoacha esikolweni, so besidinga coaches but sayisabona ukuthi baninzi abantwana abangamantombazana abafuna udlala irugby this side and especially nabancinci because I think benine-group yabantwana abayi-60 to 8 benibacoacha but bendiyi-1.
Bacoacha khona apha eHuntersfield?
Bendibacoacha apha eHuntersfield, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But indaba ukuthi bendiyi-1 so namele ukuthi ndiyeke sendithole nomsebenzi kuphi la ngicoacha khona, so nabona ukuthi hayi ngingayeka but still my biggest wish ukuthi ngibuye ndizocoacha bona if kungakhe something nyane esingathi sayithola support nyana ndingabuya futhi phinde sikwazi ucoacha abantwana.
So wena i-rugby Putwamez ngikumamele, is it like i-rugby uyiqale nini, since it was the only sport oyaziyo kowayidlala?
No, i-rugby ngiqale high school from primary. So isikela sami bekune-rugby nebhola ibikhona.
Bekuphi esikolweni sakho? Bewufunda
Ngifunda e-Inwe High School e-Eastern Cape.
Endaweni e-Eastern Cape?
E-Inwe. So
Okay.
Queenstown, Dordrecht, Inwe. So most people don't know that place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so which bewuna how many years?
I started rugbying in 11 because I was like under 11.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which year was that?
It was 2011.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you get to here Gauteng, like so mawusuka ngapha ufika una how many years up eGauteng?
Hapa nifike na 18.
Na 18.
Yeah.
Was it after high school or?
Yeah, nifike up after school.
So bewuzofunda umsebenzi or
Hapa no,
bewuzofunda?
bezofunda isikela. Yeah. So nathola isikela and then also nathola ne-club.
So i-rugby uhlangana nayo kanjani, through umngani or through abantu apho uhlala khona? Mawufika apho ufike wahlala?
No, hapa nithe manifika bengingenabangani, and then since ndi close to stadium I was like no.
Uhlala around.
Ake ndaza kwi-holidays, yeah. So nabona amajita at that time besajimela i-DH. So nabona amajita edlala i-rugby and interested but zandikwazi ukuya because into zokujima ndangingaziphethanga. Ndandize for i-holiday kaJune. So nithe manifika apha 2019 ndandizithathela i-walk ndathi noma ndizobuza ukuthi khona i-rugby club ekhona na. Kuma-security andixelele ukuthi hayi i-rugby club ikhona and ndangena ndaqala ukuthola uthando le-club nami ndaba part of i-management ye-club. Because isifiso sami ukuthi le club ikhule ifane nezinye club because i-club ezi-right zithola ko-Germiston, ko-Albertine in so you have to travel ukuze sithole i-rugby right.
Because nami my other question, khona i-question yami eza along those lines ukuthi ufika from Endwe ufika then eGauteng which is iGermiston ekukhululeni seKatlehong ngapha. Ufoma i-rugby like uyibone phi, and because sazi ukuthi i-rugby abantu abamhlophe kakhulu mostly, even though amabhokobhoko awine their third World Cup recently, and kuba khona abantu like abantu abamnyama they are starting to get interested ku-rugby. So wena uqala mawusafika ufika apha ne from where i-team beyikhona until ngoku, and xa ujonga surroundings apho uhlala khona, what's the difference of i-rugby and abantu uyawuthika ukuthi bayithatha kanjani i-rugby?
Yeah, nathi ngandifika apha eKasi i-rugby ibinto engaqhelanga kakhulu uyabona. So njengoba into engaqhelekanga naye nda-inspire nabantwana because esitratweni sami almost wonke umnandi ohlala esitratweni sami ndaye namthatha namfaka apha eklabhini because as benisithi ukuthi sike sanayo sazama phofu uvusa i-team yabantwana. So ofumaniseka abantwana esinabo sebaninzi kakhulu uyabona, and andisakwazi ke ngoku ukuthi ndibacoache because abantu endicoacha nabo abasekho. So ndingathi ndaye nakumzekelo omhle kakhulu ebantwaneni baqala uba nothando le-rugby because abayifumani into ezinjalo. Umzekelo izikole ezininzi ze-primary i-rugby azidlali, and yenye yezinto esike sayizama leyo besiyiqale ezikolweni but due to i-support kwaye kwanzima for thina ukuthi siyenze and no coaches ba-few. So kugcina ebe ndim othi umzekelo kule club ndiyi-coach ndiyi-player futhi. So it's hard ukuthi ndizenze zonto zoyi-two. Yabona wamajita ajima mele nami yabo.
Very proud of. So yeah, those are some of the challenges you are facing. So anina administration apha like etlabhini since ni Katlehong Tigers ne nidlala i-league. So aninabo abantu abanidilela nge-administration ukuthi ama-players nama-registrations and in terms of ama-games ukuthi nitravele. Ubani ofanda izinto ezikanjalo?
No, ukhona umjuda o-part of ohoya lezo zinto. uPeter Monto no Bongani Mavimela. So those are the guys who are in charge kwi-administration. Yabona, and then but abahoyi administration yodwa because they're also focusing on ikit, organize ukuthi ground yeyabhukwa into ezinjalo. Yabona, but thina nesiyi-club ezimele, we don't have a sponsor. I-union iyasizama apho nalapho ukuyodlala.
Kwenje utheni ni under which
under IFALC.
IFALC.
Yeah, so i-union isizama ngemali transport but uyazi ukuthi sibuya kumakhaya ngafana
Yeah.
so omnye usenophuma endlini engatyanga
Yeah.
esiswini so
Yeah.
we need to make means ukuthi at least kubekho into iplayers ezizayifumana at least noko sikwazi ukuthi sibe moyamnye zitye players isithini so zezinye ii-challenges sinazo
Yeah.
asina-sponsor
And when it comes to i-kit izinto ezikanjalo,
i-kit
who's
nayo,
funding your
saye sasponswa enye ikhampani nayo yakhipha loo mandlani nayo ukuthi sikwazi ukubhatala ikiti yethu but umanage ukuthi nathi sibethe imali ezipokothweni ukuze sikwazi ukuzifunela ikiti sifanele ezinye ii-clubs so into eyimane isenzeka ngoku is because ii-players zethu ziye zivaya ziya kwiindawo ezingcono yeah they go to umzekelo nam andidlali apha qha I also play for Germiston Sinners ndidlala yona because ndiyabona ngapho ukuthi izinto
ahambe kakuhle.
for the sake of irehabilitana ndingathi ngayo into engakhula apha elokishini before ndiphuma ngaphandle ndiyofuna kwezinye ndawo so isifiso sami ukuthi at least i-Tigers
When something, yeah, be recognized.
club yabona because baninzi abantwana abasakhulayo abayithandayo lento so nabo bathi bekhula bakhule kukho something abanayo yabona.
So since facing those challenges you've just mentioned, Uguchi, how, like, what do you think when would be? So, because I think Tigers as a team, you've got ambitions as the club to grow and even be bigger than this, build something big, even a legacy and produce some future Siakolisis.
Yeah,
And
what I can say is that as soon as Fiso School is to have our own place siqala ngeground because eyona into esisafara kuyo kakhulu yi-field le field lena i-rugby field but it's not a rugby field as such because kuyadlalelwa ibhola apha kwenziwane so i-ground yethu igcina ibheda because I remember last year kune-game kwamele siyidlale ne-Heidelberg but zasikwazi udlala lo game because babekhalazela i-ground ukuthi they can't play kwi-ground so because thina masiyodlala nabo sidlala kwi-ground right because ngabelungu
ama-facility
yi-ground i-facility nokuqala we don't mind ukuthi sidlale apha as long as
izonakekelwa
even right and then okwesithu isikhathi because yabona i-club rugby nxa sijima amajita amaninzi asesipanini umzekelo if you could go to white clubs kujinywa late from 6 to 8 wonke umuntu nxa esetshayisile so thina asinalo elaa xesha loba sibe nee-lights ii-lights zikhona but and I think if ilight eyi-one ingalighta mhlawumbe ngapha at least singakhona ukujima but zenye zezinto
ama-challenges
asenzelwa ngama-challenges esinawo lawo so si-end up siyi-club engekho organized because kujima 8 and then the rest ayikho ejimini yabona because isesipanini and ngevele akho nto ibhatalanga siyenzelwa ngothando so egamini igcine ihlanganisiwe ithi engahlangani but since sithanda irugby sigcine sihlala and iclub siyayibamba ukuthi ihlezi ikhona so isifiso sethu nje esikhulu ukuthi iclub ikhule ifane nezinye iclub ezinkulu ezikhoya apha eMzantsi zaziwayo.
So the understanding December January bekudlalwa i-soccer tournament i-final and there was an issue I heard they were having ama-finalist team they were having interview on some local radio station ukuthi bayazichebela ingcapha i-grass cutting for bona bayazimaintainela for ama-games njengoba kuzodlalwa so nani kuyenzeka ukuthi you have to pop out monies to cut the grass for ama-games wenu or government nifika vele
means esisenzayo it's for i-painting but andifuna uqoka when it comes to i-ground umzekelo ngoku ichetyiwe but bayazichebela sikaze safika kwi-situation yoba
i-ground
maybe kuba i-league yethu iqala late
yabona
but i-ground sesifike yonke into ichetyiwe yonke into right thina into esenzela zona kuzimakhela i-ground and then enye i-challenge esitholana nayo ugovernment ipainta sikaze sayifumana ever since yaba i-covid ipainti iphuma ezibhokothweni zethu hlanganisa imali ngamajita asipanayo eklabhini sithole ipainti and then sikhona upainta i-ground into abasenzela yona siboleka umtshini because bona bakwazi
operate
understand sazenzela and then okunye
akukho okay and then now ama-players umenshine indaba yokuthi ama-players wenu amanye ayasuka apha ayodlala to some other clubs so are they moving ukuthi mhlawumbe bamoviswa ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-challenges or ukuthi mhlawumbe they finding greener pastures mhlawumbe ukuthi someone ukuthi they've been recognized because bebedlala nani barecognizewa yenye club somewhere?
No, I think it's because si-club esakhulayo and si-club esakhulayo we don't have a coach. So we as players single coach. So remember the thing as a time, and if you could check. So the biggest challenge as he face or see the players and the players move as with the clubs is because see as coach we don't have a coach that one. And lay club rugby and see club rugby are incoming now. So but few abantu abafuna coach apho ngekho mali khona. Yabona because see club engena sponsor asina support. So amajita ayafuna uva even nami into yanenza ndiye kwezinye clubs because nami ndifuna udlala because irugby into endiyithanda and nabona ukuthi even apha eKasi irugby ngekho but baninzi abantu abathanda irugby and baninzi nabantu abafuna uqala irugby. And each and every year numbers abantu abafuna uqala irugby they keep on growing. Yeah.
So now when it comes to assistance, have you tried seeking assistance mhlawumbe like business, local businesses mhlawumbe even sports organization angapha around even your Ebukasi FM? Radio station to do interview wenze awareness ukuthi you are a club existing kule ndawo kanje. Have you tried maybe to create even a partnership even because now I don't think you would survive as you have explained the situation in trying to partner up with other stakeholders or other entities.
Sike sazama iKasi FM sike sazama and then interview bayenza but interview order but in terms of was advertiser in no ayondeske sayizama le as babe nisithi ukuthi kunzima ukwenza into ezininzi uyi-one because you are a player uyile so kunezinto zawugcina ubethakala kuzo zenza but i-sponsors we've been trying ukuthola i-sponsor into enzima ukuthi sithole so ile nito ukuthi kubalekile if singaqala sithole i-sponsors lapha elokishini before sithole i-sponsors kwenye indawo because into esizamuyenza ukukhulisa i-sport elokishini because i-sport it helps a lot abantwaneni nakubantu abadala because uba luncedo kakhulu ngene baleni njami all yabona so engakutsho nje i-support yiyo nje sicela kakhulu apha ekuhlaleni if singathola nje support as a sponsor okuncane khona it will make a difference because asinande sinayo and noma besinayo okuncane it still help because kuzawusiza apho nalapho umzekelo iHuntersfield iseqaleni ngekahlongo kunabantwana abahlala ko7 they need transport money to come. Some of the kids were using their lunch money abayinikwa ngabazali bathatha le mali isebenzisa esikolweni but they saving it ukuthi bazodlala irugby which means bonisa uthando emntwaneni
dedication
uyayifuna udlala irugby but ngekho i-support so siyayidinga kakhulu i-support ukuthi noma yintoni ezo sponsors sifunayo because sike sazama nosebenzisana nezikolo izikole njengefumana iTamawu izibuko izikole esike sisebenzisana neDukathole izikole esike sisebenzisana nazo ezo zerugby siqala irugby kuzo kwenzeka but you effect that coach ba few and abanye baye bahama so siyesa sokona but nje ukuphusha irugby lokishini yona ndesiphusha kakhulu thina sekahlongo lekho irugby ezazimela ezakwazi
I think and as your message to public before we go there abantu like ukuthi nifumaneka kanjani ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu are willing to donate or aba willing to get hold of you mhlawumbe banabantwana or mhlawumbe ukujoina nawe irugby around.
We do have a TikTok page which is Katlehong Tigers Rugby and then we do have a Facebook account Katlehong Tigers Rugby Club sikulapho sifumaneka khona and then we also do have ama-posts siwaposta khona ukuthi si-operate kanjani so sitholakalayo and then abanye bangeza nalapha eHuntersfield ama-security siwaxelele uba abantu nxa bebuza ngerugby babazise ukuthi irugby khona nama-numbers wethu sisiwashiye kuma-security because not wonke umuntu uyasebenzisa.
All right. And then the message yakho to abantu public and those who wanna try rugby abanothando le rugby, what would you say? Like you message like we are appealing ukuthi this is a uthengisa irugby to abantu abangazi aba interested.
I-message engayisho ukuthi siKatlehong Tigers Rugby Club sicela i-support because into engeke siyenze yodwa sodwa le but if singabambisana kukwapho singaya khona. Remember ekugqibeleni into siyiqala thina sodwa, but we're also starting it for the kids, abantwana basakhulayo nabo babe nento abazoyenza, because sport is part of education. Remember ukuthi umntana wakho usenongabi right ezincwadini, but when it comes to sport abe good, and sport is also a career. So inenzamo uyitsho phela lokishini ukuthi sicela i-support kakhulu, and abantu abafuna ujoyina i-rugby siyi-club evumela wonke umuntu afuna uzojoyina. So ukujoyina ungeza la egrawundini, siyajima Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays from 4 to 6.
So konje uthele question le yama-gender amantombazana aninawo so far anikakabi
no nawo khona, but sibethwa indaba yo-coach, so sagcine sibamisa kancane ukuthi sicela bame, because o-coaches nabo bafile, and for coach rugby you cannot just be a coach, so you need certain qualifications so that uzokwazi into ezithile, yabona, because emphasize i-safety kuyo yonke, because rugby it's a contact sport.
So wena unalo i-qualification mhlawumbe like bewenza ntoni course?
No,
sport management
level 2 we're coaching rugby. I also have box mat. Yeah.
So which is mhlawumbe i-standard sakho?
Mawunezo zinto uyakwazi to be a coach.
Ucoacha mhlawumbe which age and
so
which?
For level 2 I can coach naphi na apha emhlabeni, and then ndingacoacha any age group.
So
abantwana
uyenze phi into yakho?
So ndiyenza under union ye-Falk.
Okay.
Yeah, ndiyenza under
where?
Besiyenza la eKempton Park.
Okay.
eKempton Park.
Alright. Hayi Bhuti, ngiyabulela. It was nice having a chat with you, getting to know and i-rugby ne-club ukuthi nenza kanjani. Yeah, cause like mina ngivele ngothuka ukuthi kune-rugby Katlehong, bengingazi ukuthi kune-rugby. So you're doing a good job. I hope abantu nabo bazobona this interview, they're gonna give back. Thank you very much mfethu.
No, ayinabulela nawe for your time, nabantu engathi bangasupporta kakhulu.
Alright.